If you're unsure whether your sweet potatoes are still good, there are several signs to look for. Check for soft spots, wrinkly skin, discoloration, oozing liquid, and an off smell, all of which indicate spoilage. Fresh sweet potatoes should feel firm and have smooth, uniform skin without blemishes. At the grocery store, choose potatoes that are firm and free of dark spots. For optimal storage, keep whole sweet potatoes in a cool, dark, dry place at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks, or longer in a cooler pantry. Avoid sealing sweet potatoes in plastic as this traps moisture and leads to spoilage, and don't wash them until you're ready to cook. Cooked sweet potatoes should be stored in the fridge for 3 to 7 days, or frozen for longer shelf life. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also nutritious, providing essential vitamins and fiber, making them a great addition to various dishes.